black pepper Japanese quail stew or black pepper Japanese quail bowl. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the bowl recipes and one of the most unique of the stew recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the quail recipes and one of the most delicious of the poultry recipes. One of the most different of the poultry stew recipes. Today we are going to make pepper quail stew. Around 300 to 400 grams of Japanese quail, cleaned and cleaned thoroughly. These are 4 in number. Salt to taste. Pour in, squeeze in the juice of half a lemon. Take off the seeds. Put in a spoon of turmeric powder, spoon of chili powder, spoon of black pepper powder, and half a spoon of coriander powder. Thoroughly mix in the spice mix into the Japanese quail. Thoroughly mix it in and let the mixture marinate. For around half an hour. 3 to 4 sprigs of curry leaves, 10 to 15 shallots, 1 tomato cut into pieces, 20 cloves of garlic cut into pieces, 15 grams of ginger. Pan, pour in 10 ml of oil. Let the oil get heated. Put in the garlic. Saute. Put in the shallot. Saute. Add a little salt. Saute. Put in the ginger, salt, Japanese saute mix. Put in the tomato pieces. Put in the curry leaves. Salt. Curry salt. Salt to taste. Put in half a spoon of chili powder and half a spoon of black pepper powder and a quarter spoon of turmeric powder and 1 spoon of coriander powder. Thoroughly mix. Put in the Japanese quail into the mixture. Thoroughly mix. Mix thoroughly. Until all the ingredients are mixed applied onto the Japanese quail. Now close and let this mixture cook for around 25 to 30 minutes in the pressure cooker. Now put in some curry leaves as garnish. Now the black pepper quail stew is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final black pepper Japanese quail stew or black pepper Japanese quail bowl. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the quail recipes and one of the most unique of the poultry recipes and one of the most delicious of the Japanese quail recipes and one of the most unique of the stew recipes and one of the most different of the bowl recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.